Hi guys, I'm Reyhana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful belt. You can make it in different color, and I used two color for this. You can use just one or more. For this tutorial I use cotton yarn and a needle and a hook and a pair of scissors. So the size of the hook is 30 millimeter, and we need a belt buckle. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful belt. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. For first round, I'm going to make a slip knot. So I make it. Then we need 4 chain, 2, 3 and 4. Then put your hook in the first chain in the back loop, here in this part, and make a double crochet but not complete. Again, put your hook here, and then these 2 and 3 loop together. Then we need 2 chain, and again put your hook here in the back loop of the first chain and make 3 double crochet together. So 1, 2 and 3. Then make 1 chain, and here in this hole make just 1 slip stitch. Then we need 3 chain and 2 double crochet together, 1 and 2, and then we need 2 chain and again 3 double crochet in this hole together. So 1, 2 and 3. So as you can see, we have 4 loop, and then just 1 chain, and here in this hole make just 1 slip stitch. So keep continuous this part until you think it is enough for your belt. Okay, for this tutorial I think this is enough, but you must keep continuous this set until this size of this belt is equal with your size of your pants. For the next step, I choose a different color and then put the hook here in this hole and make a slip stitch. Then again put the hook here and make just 1 single crochet. Then we need 4 chain, and then put the hook here in this hole and make just 1 slip stitch. Again 4 chain, and when we arrive here in this hole make just 1 slip stitch. You must continue this until you arrive in the end of your belt. When you arrive in the end of the belt, you must make 4 chain, and then in this small hole make just 1 single crochet, and then make 4 chain, and like before in this hole make just 1 slip stitch, and keep continuous until again you arrive in the end of the belt. As you can see in this belt, the size of this belt, it depends on the size of your pants. So you must keep continuous this part until you think it is finished for your size of your pants. When you finish this belt, you need buckle, a belt buckle, and put it here like this. Then we need a needle and yarn to fix these two parts together. When you fix this part with this part, then put the end of the belt here like this, and then put it here. So as you can see, it is finished. This is so easy and you can make it in different color. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.